Okay, so this video was filmed a while back, but I thought I posted it. So enjoy this video from a while back. I think I have a few that I am posting that were from a few months ago. So enjoy those videos. Ever feel like a stranger in your own home? That's how I feel right now. Oh God. I honestly probably should have brought a dust thing out here because it's literally been so long that I've been in here. There's cobwebs everywhere. Like, I still have stuff from when I did rhinestones. That was like almost 5 months ago, I want to say. Maybe it hasn't been that long, but it has felt like it's been that long. It felt like it almost feels like it's been, I haven't been in here in like 6 months, like half a year. But I wanted to make my niece a special present. She has a Stanley, and I got these specific Stanley tumbler toppers because, you know, they're popular. I want to say they're popular, but I haven't seen a lot of them, to be honest. And apparently, even though Stanley is not the hype right now, it's like another type of water bottle. These still fit those, or this will still fit those. Where's all my resin stuff? I don't even remember where I put my resin stuff. Also, oh, that's a big old juicy spider. Lord, 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 help me. Sir, should I just light everything on fire? You know, ugh. Yellow hardener. Bad? A little yellowing in epoxy hardener is usually not a cause for concern, and the hardener can still be used. The yellowing is actually not noticeable when mixed with resin. Okay, we're good on that. Got all my colors. Now, she has like a lilac color cup, but I don't have a purple color, so we might have to make the color up. Like, my colors are, like, I have to shake them all up again. Okay, well, here's white. Here's a purple glitter. Here are these. Because, like, doesn't purple or blue and red make purple? There's these two colors, but no, I can already tell it don't. 8.8 ounce resin, I think, for the whole thing. So if we do like 4 ounces and 4 ounces, we can do that, but we have to be quick. I would also need like something to like cover it up where dust won't get on it. But to be honest, I don't even think I have that. So we're just gonna hope and pray that I got all the cobwebs out and that nothing else happens in this room. 100 milliliters. How many milliliters are in an ounce? 29.57. That's 40. And I'm not pregnant anymore, so that's why I'm finally getting back to resin. Dang it. So I can only find one of these, but I have a stir still, so we're fine. This is very nerve-wracking getting back into this stuff. Okay. We're all the same. We're all simpatico. So you gotta mix this until the bubbles go away, or until it's clear, basically. I mean, it did, like, the yellow did go away, so that's good. Okay, when I get done mixing parts together. I'll be right back. I'm going to use a different stick though to mix the other half. So, I'll be right back. Okay, so to make this lilac color, I got it like, I want to say I got it perfect the first time. Might be a little bit pink, but I think the purple flakes in it really makes it look like a lilac color. Maybe I'll make it more opaque, but I'm adding about 8 drops of this white color and like 1 or 2 drops of magenta, another 8 drops. I did like 3 drops of 8. How many is that? 36 or 24? I guess I didn't. I'm gonna use this little blue. If you didn't know, you can actually use paints with these. Oh yeah. So blue and red make purple. Okay, that looks a lot better. Color theory, yay! Okay, I think that's as perfect as I'm gonna get. I want to do this bow one. So we're gonna fill up this bow tray. Just fill it up slowly because I don't know how much it honestly will take. But let's try just doing a straight. We're gonna do this different color one since it's Halloween. She can have like a decorative Halloween version of one. And we're just gonna do a whole bunch of glitter. Honestly, I just need to take the top off. Mix that glitter in. And I wish I had a second angle, but right now this is as good as I can do. And this glitter is probably all going to settle to the bottom, to be honest. But I also, with chunky glitter, I just put a ton of it in it. So if it does all settle at the bottom, like there's just so much in there that it just, I don't know how to describe it, but it just fills up everything with the epoxy. So don't skip out. Put as much glitter as you want in there. Oh, that's cute. That's so cute. That is so cute. But this is making me want one. And now that they have the new Hydro Flask tops, I might just have to get one. Just for this reason. They're so stinking cute. I'm gonna have to do a lot of paint gun though. Just a little cute. Alright. And then we're just gonna pour the rest of this in this one. Oh, that's looking so cute. I hope she loves these because they're so cute. Let me make sure everything's leveled. Alright, here we go. Gotta get them bubbles out. Oh yeah. I gotta do it so far back. Okay, so that's what it looks like. I love the glitter, especially the Halloween. But just the two colors together, I matched with the pinks or the purples pretty well. It looks a little bit more pink on camera, but this is what we got. These are the shapes that we're working with. All right, these are bows, but I'm so excited. Okay,